welcome to the second part of our Slitting Mill nature stroll. We've actually got to got to this lovely pub here, really nice, much recommended. So we've just been for a nature, a big long nature stroll as in part one. So we're just having refreshments now, and then basically it's onwards to the hill then, isn't it? Etching Hill.
Yeah.
And then to your house, your dad's for a cup of tea.
Yeah.
We're just having a lovely cup of tea here, haven't we? But
Yeah, this is the Horns pub where we are right now.
yeah. It is really nice, yeah. It is lovely, very nice, yeah. It's we're very impressed with it. And it makes a change from literally, doesn't it, Mark?
Well, we're there tomorrow, we've got a meeting, I'll have to confirm that with with one of our attendees, I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's it. Can I just say a big thank you to Denise, Naughty Denise, for getting this lovely t-shirt for me, Mark. Can I just show this t-shirt?
Yeah. Oops.
Yeah. Lovely. St Ives.
I've not been there myself.
I'm a huge fan of that anyway as well, so yeah.
Well, I can't say I've been there myself.
Part 3 coming up soon. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, folks. See you again soon.